Hallo und willkommen zurück. Ich bin der Deutschlehrer, Herr Sharma. Up until now, we have been living completely in the present moment, talking about what we are doing, what we have, or what we can do today. But to truly connect with people, share your experiences, and pass your A2, B1, or B2 exams, you have to be able to talk about yesterday. Today, we are mastering the most searched beginner grammar topic, das Perfekt, the conversational past tense. In spoken German, this is the primary way to say I worked, I ate, or I went. It sounds intimidating because it uses two verbs instead of one. But once you see the blueprint, it becomes as simple as a math formula. Machen wir einen Schritt in die Vergangenheit. Let's take a step into the past. To build a sentence in the perfect tense, you need a team of two verbs working together. They cannot function without each other. Here is your golden formula. Subject plus auxiliary verb haben or sein plus object plus past participle at the very end. Here the past participle is called Partizip. Your auxiliary helper haben or sein takes our comfortable position 2 and conjugates normally to match the subject. Your main action verb transforms into its past participle from usually starting with the ge prefix and gets kicked all the way to the absolute end of the sentence line. Let's look at a standard transformation using haben. In present, ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. But in perfect, ich habe gestern Deutsch gelernt. I learned German yesterday. Das Aktionsverb steht ganz am Ende. It never leaves the finish line. Now, the biggest question every beginner asks is, Herr Sharma, how do I know whether to choose haben or sein as my helper? Here is the shortcut that will save your exam scores. Use sein for movement from point A to point B, verbs of motion where you change your physical location. Examples are gehen, which means to go, kommen, to come, fliegen, to fly, change of condition or state, transitioning from one state of being to another. Examples are aufwachen, which means to wake up, sterben, to die. There are some exceptions also. Sein or to be and bleiben, which means to stay. In these cases, ich bin nach Deutschland geflogen. I flew to Germany. Use haben for everything else. Roughly 80% to 90% of all German verbs use haben, including all verbs that take a direct object. An example is ich habe Kaffee getrunken. I drink Kaffee. Let's now look at some examples in healthcare settings. Der Patient hat gut geschlafen. The patient slept well. Ich habe das Medikament gegeben. I gave the medication. Frau Müller ist im Flur gestürzt. Miss Müller fell in the hallway. This uses sein due to movement or fall. Using the accurate combination of helpers and final participles ensures your clinical reporting is legally safe, flawless, and completely professional. Let's practice this past tense formula right now to lock it into your memory. Think about one thing you did yesterday, write it in the comments below using the perfect tense. Make sure to choose the right helper and kick your Partizip to the absolute end. Ich werde eure Sätze persönlich korrigieren. If this past tense masterclass made das perfekt clear and easy to understand, bitte vergesst nicht zu liken, zu teilen und zu abonnieren. Share this video with your fellow language learners and exam aspirants. Viel Erfolg beim Üben, bleibt super motiviert und wir sehen uns im nächsten Level. Cheers, good luck practicing, stay super motivated and see you in the next level. Bye.